Good morning, children. Today is day 4 and we are dealing with sum or difference of two cubes. Factorizing, another method when cubes are involved. This I did not give you before, but sum or difference of two cubes. In expansions, children, you have learned a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you make a cube plus b cube as the subject, a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you make a cube plus b cube as the subject and you write, you'll get a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Should I show you that how you will get this? Okay, let me teach that first. Okay, how we are getting this formula, though you have done in class in your expansions, but still let me teach this. Okay, how we are getting this? This is, you can see this is the factorized form of a cube plus b cube written as a factor form. Now just to see a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, this you have learnt in expansions. Now if I want to make this as the subject, that means I need to bring all this here to this side. So I can write it as a plus b the whole cube, and this comes here as minus 3ab into a plus b, ab into a plus b, and what is left here is a cube plus b cube. Now let us write it as simplified form, a plus b cube, a plus b, let us factorize this. So a plus b is a common bracket, yes, power 3, and here's the power 1. So what comes inside? What comes inside? A plus b the whole square minus 3ab. Clear? Now if you further simplify this, you get a plus b into a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 3ab, which is equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, or a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square plus b plus 2ab minus 3ab is minus ab. This formula comes from this only. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus cube of the first term plus cube of the second term plus thrice the product of the two terms into sum of the two terms. This we have learned in expansions. Now we are getting a cube. We will be dealing with how to factorize when we get a cube plus b cube. Like we have done a square minus b square was a plus b into a minus b. Now a cube plus b cube, the factorized formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, when you open a minus b the whole cube, you get a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, and the formula that comes from a cube minus b cube will be a cube minus b cube. Same, everything remains same, only the sign, wherever there is positive sign, will change to here, sorry, a plus b, this becomes a minus b because it is coming from a minus b the whole cube, and everything will be positive here, plus b square. So these are the two formulae for the expanded when we get to factorize difference of two cubes or the sum of two cubes. We can straight away use these two formulae and do it. Okay, let us take an example here. The example given here, first example is a cube minus 64 x cube minus 125 y cube. Now 64 is a cube of, first let us see, is there anything which is common? What will be the HCF of the terms here? Nothing is common, yeah? So we will not take anything out. Now you see 64 is a perfect cube of 4. So we can write it as 4x the whole cube, and 125 is a cube of 5. 5y the whole cube. Now this is of the form a cube minus b cube. A is 4x, b is 5y, not minus 5y, okay? a, because we are using this formula, a cube minus b cube. So we will apply a is 4x and b is 5y. Now how can you do this? A cube minus b cube is equal to, a cube minus b cube is equal to what? Yes, this is 4x is a and b is 5y. Clear? So a minus b. So a minus b will be 4x minus 5y in the first bracket. Then second bracket, a square. A is 4x. 4x square of 4x is 16x square plus ab. Multiply a and b. You get 20xy plus 20xy plus b square is, what is b square? B is 5y. So square of 5y is plus 25y square. This is the factorized form of, is there nothing is common? So this is the factorized form of a cube minus b cube. Note down these two formulae in your fair notebooks, children, and then only proceed. And whatever examples I am doing with you, they have to be done in fair notebooks. Okay? Now another example. I have to rub this. Another example is, example 2, 32x to the power 4 minus 500x. What was the first step? First step of factorization was take the common part out. HCF. HCF, 4 divides, 2 divides both. Yes, 4 8s are 32 and 4 divides 500 also. Yes, 4 into 125 is 500. And x among the literal part, x to the power 4 and x to the power 1, x will come out. So what comes out? HCF is 4x. It comes out. Then 4 8s are 32, 8x cube minus 4 125 times this. Okay, now this is not complete. What will you do here? 8x cube minus 125. 8x, 8 is a cube of 2 and 125 is a cube of 5. Yes, so this can be further factorized as 4x into, we'll write it as cube of 2x minus cube of 5. Clear? Again, a cube minus b cube. Yes, is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So let us apply that. 2x minus 5, a minus b, a square, 4x square plus ab is 4 2s are 10x. Yes, plus b square, that is 25 is the answer. 4x square plus 10x plus 25 into, now this, see, they are in the factorized. This into this into this is the factorized form of this time. Okay. Another example, a very important one, a little difficult one this time I have taken. Let's see how we can apply our brain here. Now then I have asked you to factorize a cube minus a minus 120. Now children, when we get such expression, now you will say it's a trinomial, it should be by splitting the middle term or something like, no. It's power 2, then power 3 and then power 1. Okay, so that has to be in the quadratic form. Okay, now what to do? Let us change it to 5 terms. Cube is there. So what we can do here is we can write this as minus 125 plus 5. What have I done? I have written minus 120 as minus 125 and plus 5 is minus 120 only. Okay. Now this goes with the cube part and this comes with a. We can write a cube minus 125 together. Okay, cubes, and minus a plus 5. So it goes at minus a minus 5. I hope this step is clear. Clear? Now this is a cube minus 5 cube minus a minus 5. minus 5 cube. Again, this is the factorized form of a cube minus a minus 5, a minus b, a square plus square ab, that is 5a plus b square plus 25 minus a minus 5. Okay. Now we have a minus 5 is the common bracket. So we can write a minus 5. Whatever is left will go inside the other bracket, a square plus 5a plus 25, and since the whole bracket comes out, don't leave it as it is. We'll place 1 here in place of that, minus 1. Okay, that is the general error. So we get the factorized form. Now since we have plus 25 minus 1, we cannot leave it like that. So we get a minus 5, a square plus 5a plus 24. You should check that whether it can be further factorized, but this cannot be. That you will learn in your higher classes. Why it cannot be? In class 10th you will learn this. Okay, b square minus 4ac, that we will learn later. So I hope this is clear. What we have done, we have used our common sense here. Yes, and maths comes only when you practice more and more. If you will not practice, you will not get this idea how to do this. Every sum cannot be done. There are certain sums which you should try. Yes, I will take out the answer of this. So minus 120 is written as minus 125 plus 5, and then I have taken these two together. I have taken these two together. This is of this form. Then the simplified, the factorized form of this, we get a minus 5 as the common bracket. What goes in the other bracket is a square plus 5a plus 25. And please don't forget that, don't see everything is out, so there is no need to write. No, 1 will take that place. Minus 1 or plus 1, whatever. If the sign is plus, then plus 1. If it is minus, then minus 1. Sign that 1 will take that place, child. Yes, so you get a minus 5, a square plus 5a plus 24. One more time, last example, when you need to, very simple one, x to the power 6 minus 1. Now when you have x to the power 6, my God, such a difficult thing. Yes, okay. This can be written as x square to the power 3 and 1, 1 square to the power 3 or 1 to the power 3, it's same thing. What is a here? We have converted it in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, x square minus 1, then a square x to the power 4 plus ab plus x square plus 1. Yes, I hope I am correct. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab will be x square plus b square. Okay. Now see, this can be further x square minus 1. So 1 is a square of 1. So x square minus 1 can be further factorized as a plus b, a minus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1, and this remains x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Clear? Okay? Try to do the equations from the exercise. Thank you, children.